Hey, it's nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today, fish. Nice, salmon. I'm going to cook this salmon in soya sauce and wrap in aluminum foil. It's quite very cool to do. It's super nice taste and fast. We need, easy, of course we need salmon. I need some lemon juice. I need some parsley, rosemary and fresh thyme, salt and pepper, ginger and garlic, and soya sauce, a little touch of fish sauce and oyster sauce. Okay? And now I show you how it works. Of course, I bought this in supermarket. Any supermarket you find this joint. I cut because it's easy to do what we want today. Fish is cut and aluminum foil. Aluminum foil, 1 second because my son Enrico, he won't sit in his space. Okay. Okay, aluminum foil, one nice for start to take the fish. So we try to put it in the middle, like almost before we cut it, like this, okay? Now, some pepper, not a lot, some salt, but not a lot because we're going to put this sauce, all the sauces here, they quite salty. Nice, is it?
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's not poco. We start to do the not like this. Okay guys, inside here now, a couple garlic just cutting out. Zuzi show you the fish, the ginger, one little touch like this. Just
It looks delicious already.
yeah, it is. These herbs leave like that because we're gonna take it out when we eat. Okay, it's just flavor. Now, fish sauce, just a little touch. Is enough. Oyster sauce is enough. And this guy is going in the oven around 210, 220, around 25-30 minutes because it's in aluminum foil, because usually the salmon need less, but in aluminum foil maybe a little bit more, but for this I'm gonna be precise later, you know. Lemon juice. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friend, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Lemon,
Another
yeah, all lemon gonna be very sharp
and sour.
and sour. Well done. Okay, lemon inside, lemon juice of course.
I smell it.
Yeah. Now a little touch as well,
Oil.
the nice olive oil. I use just extra virgin from my cousin in Puglia. It's done. And soya sauce. You can find this soya sauce in any supermarket. We are not master chef, but we cook very tasty and nice for the family. This gonna be quite nice amount. Zuzi show
Same
you.
like this color.
Yeah, it's dark, but it's different. Okay, Zuzi show them. This is gonna be inside cook this, like we're gonna cook in the soya sauce. Nice.
Yeah, that's
Now, the very big challenge is close it very well, without any hole. That's why I prepared
of course you know.
one tray with the paper underneath, because if on a big break. Okay, now we need another one. You put again inside here, in the middle. Okay,
Like the salmon.
yeah, you see. And now you try to do a very nice wrapping. Again and again. And we need one more.
Oh my god, that's a lot.
Yeah. And now again. And again. Later, if you want to put more spicy, you like something, some flavor different, you can put everything you like. You know, we cook for our family.
Some cheese?
No, cheese is better, no. But guys, this one now, going in the oven, I put 210, 220, around half an hour. I'm gonna be precise later. And I'm cooking this. I'm serving this salmon with some steam or boiled vegetable. Easy to do when 5 minutes in the water or 5 minutes under the steam, and just salt, pepper and just lemon juice is delicious. But see you later for
Definitely not stinky.
no stinky cheese. But see you later when it's cooked, okay? Okay guys, 30 minutes, 220 and it's done. Yeah, already is 5-6 minutes is out outside the oven, and the salmon is like that, you know. You have just to remove the veg, you know, the fish already, you know, is super soft. You know, the soya sauce, the color, the smell, guys, is something very amazing.
And delicious.
Yeah, I make some vegetable
Veggie?
easy in the just boiler for 5 minutes, salt, pepper, garlic and olive oil.
Guys,
Now
it's not vegetable, it's veggie.
it's veggie. Now is the time to try this salmon. You want to try? Is the I have to try, Baba?
Take it.
Super nice. Guys, easy dinner and not too expensive for the family. Is very good. Half an hour is everything is ready.
Yep.
The salmon cooking the soya sauce is this. If you like,
Keep.
finger up and follow us. Ciao!
Keep.